Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to get Arc Raiders for free on PSI, Steam and Xbox. I'm talking about the actual game key codes for all platforms. Now, I'm well aware there are a lot of fakes out there, that's why I want to show you the proof first so you know this is legitimate. If you look at my screen, you can see I just redeemed this specific key. The game is fully activated in my library and it is ready to download right now. If you want to get your own code, my name is Chris, and I'm going to walk you through the exact steps on the website and show you how to activate it. I'll leave you with the tutorial video now. Just follow along closely and you'll have your key in a few minutes. First, you're going to open your browser and type in Delta Coupons Vercel app. Once the page loads, just enter the site and search for Arc Raiders. Now, you'll need to choose your platform for the key code. In this case, I'm going to choose PC for Steam. You can see the system is starting to check for validated codes, and okay, now you see that the code is currently locked. To reveal it, we just need to install 2 sponsored apps. As you guys can see, it's showing me 2 apps right here. I'm going to download them now, and I'll be right back. It should only take about 30 seconds for each one, and I'm back. Now, when we return to the website, you'll find that the code is completely unlocked and ready to use.